Did you know in Vim you can do search and replace just using the keyboard commands? I'll show you how. Let's say we want to replace any match with the word debug in this entire file, and we want to ask for confirmation. How do we do that in Vim? We press escape, colon, %s, that's any text input, slash, then the word we want to replace, in this case debug, slash, the word we want to replace it with, let's say hello, and then we want to do this globally, the entire file, so we press G, and we add a C for confirm. We want to manually confirm each match. So we will replace any match of debug in the file with hello, and it will manually convert. Press enter, and you'll see we get this option prompt for the first match, yes, no, and some others. So let's say we press the Y key, and you'll see it meshes and replaces. If I press Y again, it replaces it, and so on. Now, if I would press no, of course, it would skip it. And you can undo it, if you press the U key, and go back in time. And let's say we want to replace something else. So let's say we want to replace the colon symbol with maybe an arrow symbol. So, and we do escape, colon, %s, slash, then the colon, slash, followed by an arrow symbol, slash GC. And it has the first match. So this is Python code. We don't want to replace that. We type no. Then the second match, which is some text, you'll see it in purple. That's just command line output. We can replace that. Then another Python match, no. And this one we want to replace with, so we press Y or yes. Now again, another match, no, it's Python code. So you can quickly replace, it can be a single character or an entire word. And for example, let's say we change the word debug again, but we make it capital. So we can do escape, colon, %s, debug. So this words to match, then capital debug. And then GC, we want to manually match it. So yes, 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 yes. And now they are replaced in the file. So that's how easy it is to quickly change, to search and replace inside Vim.